Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing well and fine. Can you all hear me? Show me a thumbs up if you all can hear me properly. All right. Okay, so shall we start our class now? Okay. So who will tell me that what we were studying yesterday? Okay, yes, Mariam. Kabir and Hassan, both of you open your cameras.
Miss,
Yes.
Miss, we did a review on narrative and script writing and
Which new topic?
today we're gonna learn
Which new writing we discussed yesterday?
expository.
Exactly. And can you tell me what is an expository writing?
Expository writing gives us information
And it talks about facts. Okay.
information
Yes, very nice.
information and fact.
Very nice, Mariam. Very nice. Everybody clap for Mariam. Yes, Nurul Hadi.
करेंगी
Noor, what are you?
कल मेरा नेट ऑफ था
Noor, you were absent yesterday, right?
नेट ऑफ था
Okay, everybody kindly take out your copy and pencils. और the page on which you write about writing, जहाँ पे आपने writing की definition लिखी थी ना, वही वाला page निकाल लीजिए. Yes, Jafar.
today is my birthday
Happy birthday, Jafar. Many, many happy returns of the day. Okay, now everyone take out that copy or that page on which you have already written the definition of writing and types of writing. We are going to continue from there, okay? Okay, let's start. We are going to start with the descriptive writing. Kabir, are you mad or what? Just raise up your hand. As you can see, I'm writing something. Obviously, I'll unmute you after that. Why you are writing this type of message?
Miss, I was absent at the last two class,
I know that, Kabir.
so I don't know what do I have to do.
Kabir, you need to review the lectures by watching them on YouTube channels. Have you reviewed those lectures? Have you watched those lectures?
No,
So you have to, beta.
no.
After this class, go to our YouTube channel and find out the lectures of last two classes and kindly go through it. You will understand what we discussed in those classes, all right?
Okay.
Kabir, can you see the screen? Everybody, all of you, can you guys see the screen? Kabir, you have to write it down. All of those students who came late today, this is your punishment, and I'm not going to explain you what we are doing right now. All right? 15 minutes, 16 minutes बाद क्लास में आने का कोई रीजन नहीं है दानियाल. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन यू व्हाट वी आर डूइंग राइट नाउ एज यू केम 15 minutes late in class. Ali Abbas, same goes for you. And Inaya, same goes for you too. Yes, Abika.
मैं ये कॉपी में लिखना है.
सभी का जहां पे हमने राइटिंग की डेफिनेशन और उसकी फॉर्म्स लिखी थी ना वहां पर लिखना है.
ओके.
यस दानियाल.
मुझे कहाँ पर लिखना है?
Daniel, I am not going to tell you because you are 15 minutes late in the class today.
मुझे खाना खाना था.
ठीक है Daniel, go and eat your food. Class is not important for you. You all need to understand the importance of time, dear. Time cannot wait for anyone. You guys know that now you have your English class at 2 o'clock. Or is it new for you? There are so many students who came before the time. Yes, Zayan.
Done, teacher.
Okay. Can you mute your mic, Zayan? Okay. That's it, guys. Write it down fast. Only one writing is left, which is persuasive writing. Yes, Jafar.
Teacher, you can give me 10 years to write persuasive writing.
Jafar, write it down. When will I say कि मैंने पता है इसको remove कर रही हूँ? We have discussed descriptive writing, narrative writing, and expository writing. Only persuasive writing is left, which I'm going to explain right now. We have 10 minutes left only. Okay, what is persuasive writing? Basically, as you can read over here, persuasive writing is a main style of writing that will use in academic papers. This writing contains the writer's opinion or reason given for anything. It is also called argumentative writing. परसुएसिव राइटिंग बेसिकली आपके एकेडमिक यूज में एकेडमिक राइटिंग्स में यूज होती है. जैसे अगर आप कभी एस्से लिख रहे होते हैं या जो आप लेटर लिखते हैं, उनमें जो राइटिंग फॉर्मेट यूज होता है, इट इज कॉल्ड अ परसुएसिव राइटिंग, क्योंकि उसके अंदर आप अपना ओपिनियन दे रहे होते हैं. जिस तरीके से आप एस्से लिखते हैं, तो एस्से में आप क्या करते हैं? अगर आपको एस्से दिया गया है हेल्दी हैबिट्स के बारे में या हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल के बारे में आपको एस्से दिया गया है, तो आप उस एस्से में क्या करेंगे? आप उस एस्से में अपना ओपिनियन शेयर करेंगे कि यू नीड टू ईट दिस, यू नीड टू ड्रिंक दिस, यू कैन स्टे हेल्दी विद दिस, लाइक दिस. ठीक है, आप इस तरीके से एस्से में लिखेंगे. तो दैट इज व्हाई दिस टाइप ऑफ राइटिंग इज कॉल्ड पर्सुएसिव राइटिंग. उसमें आप अपना ओपिनियन देते हैं. इसी तरीके से आप न्यूज़पेपर जब उठाते हैं, तो न्यूज़पेपर में एक तो न्यूज लिखी होती है, उसके नीचे जो आपका न्यूज रिपोर्टर होता है उसका ओपिनियन लिखा होता है कि वो उस न्यूज के बारे में आपको, मतलब वो उस न्यूज के बारे में क्या उसके थॉट्स हैं. तो न्यूज आर्टिकल्स में भी पर्सुएसिव राइटिंग्स यूज होती हैं. इसी तरीके से आप लेटर लेते हैं. अगर आप अपने फ्रेंड को लेटर लिखते हैं, आप देखें, एक तो फ्रेंडली लेटर होता है और एक होता है एकेडमिक लेटर. अगर आप स्कूल में लेटर लिखते हैं या आप किसी बड़ी अथॉरिटी को लेटर लिखते हैं जिस लेटर में आप किसी प्रॉब्लम के बारे में बात कर रहे हो, तो दैट टाइप ऑफ लेटर्स आर कॉल्ड एकेडमिक लेटर्स और आर पर्सुएसिव राइटिंग. ऑलराइट, is it clear to all of you? Anybody wants to ask anything regarding persuasive writing? Yes, Jafar.
Teacher, you can tell me again because I am writing.
What?
Teacher, you can tell me again because I am writing.
Jafar, persuasive writing is basically used in academic papers or in academic writings. As we write letters, essays, all of them are comes in a persuasive writing. All of them comes in a persuasive writing. All right. Yes, Mariam.
Miss, I want to mention
Mariam, your voice is so lagging. I cannot hear you.
descriptive writing is
Mariam,
Miss,
what?
I'm saying,
Yes.
can you hear? I'm saying that in descriptive writing, your description of nature description spelling is wrong.
Okay, where description of nature?
Yes, the spelling is wrong description.
Wait, let me see. Yes. Wait. Is it okay, Mariam, now? Yes, Zayan.
I have done.
Okay, Zayan, thank you. Yes, Kabir. We have only 4 minutes left.
Miss,
Yes.
Miss, wait, you have your mouse at my word. I cannot see it.
Which word?
See writing.
Can you see it now?
The last.
If you all are using phone, kindly take a screenshot of that screen so that if your class will over, you can still write it down. We have only 2 minutes left. Everybody, your class time is over. It's 2:35 right now. You all need to join your next class. That's it for today. If you haven't noted down, take a screenshot of this screen, or if you are using it from laptop, kindly wait for the upload on the YouTube channel so you can go through there. All right, everyone, that's it for today. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself.